the industry prepares for the most exciting auto show of the year, with the stakes high in Sin City, and their customers with all eyes on them. For their surfaces must be protected to put on a show, and their protection is Ceramic Pro. For the rebels, for the rugged, for the everyday, and the shine, for the sport and the journey, for the performers, and break dust, not today. Tried and true from the industry's leading brands, the #1 paint coating for your vehicle. Are you up for the ride? Because wherever you go, you will always be brand new. Always new. Only Ceramic Pro.